Hello, welcome to this video of how to make a scout sheet inside of Google Sheets with the help of Google Forms. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and make a sheet. You could take any sheet like and call it scout sheet, and go ahead to Google Forms, a new form, call this roster perhaps. So the first question, make it like team name, make it a short answer, required, then you could add a new section, but I won't bother with it right now. I'm just showing the basics. Then you could have I'm gonna keep it basic, like one team manager. Let's call it captain, I guess. No, let's say manager. Short answer, manager in-game tag. Or you can also have in-game name. Oops. Like this. And required. Now we can just copy this, I guess. Nice spelling. Manager. Oh. I was thinking it was an L, but it was an I. Okay, I have that. You can write this below. We just have 3 players in this case. Player 1, in-game name, then changes to tag. Here's a really easy way to do this, but for this small project I don't really need too much. Just make sure it's symmetrical, I guess. Okay, so team name, name tag, name tag, name tag. So one more. Put this below. No, above. There we go. And make it 3. So now we have 1 manager and 3 players and the team name. Good. Next up we are going to go to responses. Click here. Select response destination, existing, select, and scout sheet. Select. Spreadsheet linked. And here it is. We can call this form. The first thing we want to do is just write the timestamp. We can just hide, I guess. You want to write the 1, actually just like this. Just do like this, okay? Then we can call this scout sheet. Now let's enter some roster form. Maybe like submission. This is like where the teams is going to submit their roster stuff. Okay, next up we are halfway done already, kind of. So what we want to do next is send the example form. So let's call it team ABC, not SC. Let's call it Mind Killer maybe. So this could really be like example. And when you go back here, form, here it is. Right. So let's just making you one here. Change somehow. Right. So now we have two responses, so to speak. First thing what to do is go here, write team name, then right click, data validation, select it, and just like this, then just delete the 3, and let's go to B2 to B. Okay, save. So you're gonna have the list of everything here. So now you want the team manager. You can really put it anywhere you want. So using this as a reference, we can make a VLOOKUP right here. If error first, VLOOKUP, and then we're going to have the search key, which is going to be this. Then the range. I clicked Control once, and I go to form. Select this one, all of this here, then just delete the 2, so it's B2 to J, it's everything basically. I click F4 to save it. So when you drag it down, it's not going to change. Same with here. And next up is, oh wait, like this. We don't need the second one. So for the team name, we have already, for the in-game manager, manager, it's going to be 2, comma null, 0, save. So this is about it. You can select team ABC, it's gonna say Mind Killer. Select some other one, Mind Killer, blah blah blah. And we can just get this, then make this 3. Here's this guy's tag, switch it. And you just copy this. You can actually, let's move this to here. Usually you make it like this because it looks better. Player 1. Let's see. Didn't I save it? Oh, I did it. Click F4 here, and also for this. So copy. So you see this one adds for 3. This is how many steps to the right it is. So in this case, this is the search key. So if we were looking for this one, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, which is going to be Dragon Killer. If we put 4 in the index for VLOOKUP, it's going to give us these answers, whatever is to the right. So if we choose Team ABC here, 4 steps from Team ABC, which is basically this one, the Dragon Killer, it's gonna give us. So write 4 here, Dragon Killer, and 5 because that's the tag. And in-game tag. I can just copy this basically. Actually, drag this down to 3. Copy, paste. It's going to be 6, 8. This is right. 7, 9. So if we switch this to some other team, it's gonna switch too, which is exactly what you want. So if we go here now and submit another response, so like team XYZ, hello. I'm not gonna bother with writing everything. Just gonna write something in here, just for the speed. Submit, and you're gonna see that team A XYZ is here. Hello. So yeah, that's about how to make this. 11 minutes video, and that's pretty good. See ya.